are all waiting for us down there. There's our good-looking tour guide down there. There he is. Hey, looking good, mate. Somewhere over here. Come on, baby. Into there. About 600 metres of cave. Should be quite cool. So I've just come through that huge big cave. And hey! Rock and roll. And we're in this kind of like spot right in the middle of, right away from the sea, all sort of not landlocked.
Come in and come back same way.
Oh, come back the same way, okay.
Come back same way, and we go to the one more oyster cave. And the first stop to Lagoon about 1 hour.
Oh,
and
cool.
Come back on the boat and enjoy you land.
Oh, cool.
And Jalan and good taka.
Oh, good tucker. I like it. Yeah, beautiful, mate. This is really awesome.
At the low tide inside the lagoon, low water.
Oh, okay.
Low tide, low water, shallow, low water, and the bottom of the lagoon are not good water. It's bottom with the mud.
Oh, muddy.
Walking, not good. Sharp, also.
Sharp. Oh, okay. So we sit here like lazy people. Well, our VIP bodyguard is doing a great job.
My name is Woody.
Woody's a good bloke. And he pedals us the whole way, and he's just waiting there for us. Look at this. How cool is that? Woody's a goodie. Wow. I like it. Yeah, so water level. Yeah, so there or there. Okay. Is that what that is? Oh, okay. Wow. Cut.
Sorry.
That's all right.
Woody come forward not every day. One day today for me. Not good for jogging. Not same guy on board, guy on the boat, and the informal people came today and do work every day. This guy on board every good.
You're doing good. You're doing good, mate. Woody's good.
Woody work not every
You say Woody a goodie.
Woody. W-O-O-D-Y. Woody.
Woody. Okay, so W's silent. Yeah. Because in our language we'd say Woody.
Woody,
Yeah.
Same. Woody. Same.
Woody. Yeah.
Woody, same.
Oh wow. Look at that. And that's cool. Do you want to hold this for a bit, TT? A bit of a wave around. It's going, it's video. You can say stuff too, TT. Like, oh wow, this is so good.
I don't say stuff.
And
I don't like hearing my voice on video.
yeah.
No, I don't.
I could do a David Attenborough voice for you.
Hello.
Hello.
You're on our video.
And smile to everyone in New Zealand. Yeah. A tree sitting right in the middle of it all.